So let me start with this amusing little video that I found online. Let me know if you can hear the sound.
This morning, I got up and got ready quickly because I had to get a lot of stuff done. I sat down at my desk to start getting my stuff done, and I spilled my coffee, so I got a sponge to clean it up, and I figured I'd take an extra minute to clean the whole desk because a clean desk would help me get my stuff done. When I was finished, I realized I hadn't eaten anything, and I didn't want to be hungry while I got my stuff done, so I went into the kitchen and I was out of cereal. When I got to the grocery store, I remembered a bunch of other crap I needed to get, and I figured I was already there, so I did my shopping for the week so I didn't have to worry about it while I got my stuff done. When I got home, I didn't feel like cereal anymore, and so I made an omelet and I did the dishes so I wouldn't have to do them after I got my stuff done. And then I went out to get some oil from the hardware store because my desk chair is kind of squeaky and I didn't want to be distracted by a squeaky chair while I got my stuff done. When I got back, it was getting kind of late, and I knew I wouldn't be able to get my stuff done today, so I started watching the Twilight Zone marathon on TV. I just have to make sure I get to bed early because I want to be well rested tomorrow so I can get my stuff done.
So how many of us over here can relate to that video? Yeah. How many of us can relate to that video? Let's have a little sharing over here. Manmeet ji, can you relate to that video? Has it happened to you?
Yeah, I think it happens with me sometimes, many times.
Okay, great.
Happens to me more towards because when you try to multitask, you procrastinate on one side and you jump on the other side. ये कर लेता हूँ, and then quite a lot gets left on the table to be done.
Great. So let's start with this particular question. Okay, what's the one thing that you've been putting off? हम में से अब अगर इस वर्कशॉप में हैं हम लोग, तो कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा जरूरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होगी जो कि हम पोस्टपोन किए जा रहे हैं. हाँ, so can we have some shares? Manmeet ji, what about your?
You start with me.
Yeah.
So I went to the Delhi Book Fair yesterday and ran into the publisher, and he's like, "Where's the book?" I was supposed to submit the manuscript on 15th of December, and from roughly around that time till now, I've just been running around with my various social commitments and tab activities, some of which we are privy to. We are together.
Okay.
And he just gave me the breakdown month by month, what all I was losing by not submitting in time. And for some reason or the other, I've just been putting it away. Because I said, I'll get some me time, then I'll write. When I went to Jim Corbett, I said, there I'll write. We ended up both doing fishing there in the river rather than writing the book. So that's another story. So yeah, that's one thing which is really happening with me. I'm very close to finishing the book, but I'm not able to get it.
Right.
So I do need this laser focusing that is the primary purpose of this workshop. Yeah.
Anyone else who would like to share any one thing that you've been putting off?
Well, I think there can be many things, but just like what he said, that the same thing is with me, that I started writing one book around 4 years back. Already, I think the second division I have done. And every time I find that with the passage of times, whatever I've written earlier, now that is not looking that much relevant as of now. So that's something that I need to work on that.
Right. Great. All right. तो आप दोनों ने इस वाले सवाल का भी जवाब दे दिया है. You know how it is affecting both of you. So let's skip this slide and let's jump right into this workshop. Now, once again, I would like to remind everyone that this is a workshop. This is not a webinar. This is not a presentation. This is not a one-way communication. So, इसमें थोड़ा बहुत काम करना होगा और आप अपने पैड और एक पेंसिल अपने साथ रखिए. The highlight of this particular workshop that I have created is that every person procrastinates in a different way. Okay. And I will help you identify what kind of procrastination are you into, and therefore what kind of solution is best for you, right? So that's what we are going to do. So does that excite you? Give me a yes in the chat box if that kind of a thing you think is going to be useful for you. Give me a yes in the chat box, please. Fantastic, fantastic, great. So this is the agenda for the meeting. We are going to identify your primary procrastination triggers and patterns. We are going to help you understand the underlying psychological factors contributing to your procrastination. We are going to help you learn and apply practical strategies to overcome procrastination, develop a personalized action plan for immediate implementation, and most importantly, build sustainable habits for long-term productivity. Yeah. So let's start. तो सबसे पहली बात तो यह है कि प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है which is very mystified. People struggle with it and people crib about it and yet they are in it, and then they start wondering, अच्छा ये क्यों हो रहा है, ये why they start feeling guilty, I'm not able to come overcome this. So like in horror films or whatever, जब और when you enter a dark room, जब तक आपको दिखाई नहीं देता ना कि उसमें है क्या, तब तक वो डर होता है. बट once you understand, once you can see what is in it, then you suddenly that realization dawns on you, Arey, what was a big deal? Yeah. So this could be your devil. Once you come face to face with it, it can be something which is very handleable. It can, कि इसको तो हैंडल किया जा सकता है आराम से, क्योंकि मेरी अब समझ आ गई है कि ये है क्या, and it is not so scary as it seemed to be. Okay, one more request for everyone, and I would really appreciate it if you can put your cameras on, ताकि मुझे अभी मनमीत जी का ही कैमरा ऑन है, ताकि मुझे लगे कि हाँ I have people in the room, right? So please put your cameras on. I would really appreciate it. It will give me the energy that I need. I can see some more cameras also on. Daisy has joined us all the way from Canada, right, Daisy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Suji has a
Good evening. Good evening from Canada.
Good evening. Yes. Or Dr. Gupta also has his camera on. Thank you so much for that. All right. Now, once we have understood what procrastination is, we can go forward. So what exactly is procrastination? पहली बात तो ये कि अपने आप को पीटना बंद करो, अपने आप को उसमें गिल्ट फैक्टर में या विक्टिम मोड में लाना बंद करो. दिस इज समथिंग दैट हैपेंस टू ऑलमोस्ट everyone, right? So this is the first thing that you need to understand, that this is something very deep seated. एक हमारे में हार्मोन होता है which is called dopamine. It is a hormone for instant gratification. It is a neurotransmitter, okay? And it often involves seeking immediate gratification, things like scrolling social media, watching videos, क्योंकि उसका ना रिवॉर्ड इमीडिएट होता है. जो हम काम कर रहे हैं उसका रिजल्ट कब आएगा, कुछ दिनों में आएगा, कुछ महीनों में आएगा, कुछ सालों में आएगा. इट्स अ डिलेड ग्रेटिफिकेशन. बट if you simply pick up the phone and start scrolling social media or do whatever pleases you immediately, that is an immediate gratification. So this hormone has its own needs. You need this hormone, so therefore you start indulging in it, procrastination. And ये तो हो गया हमारा न्यूरोलॉजिकल रीजन. और दूसरा रीजन हमारा क्या है, why is it so deep seated, is because right from the time of our cavemen, it is ingrained in us. क्यों? क्योंकि हमेशा जो इमीडिएट थ्रेट्स होते थे वो ज्यादा जरूरी होते थे, राइट? कि hunger could be a threat or wild animals could be a threat. The immediately आपको एकदम से ठंड लग रही है, that can be a threat. There was no such thing as planning for the future, and this thing has unfortunately got hardwired into our brains, and we need to now find ways in which to unwire ourselves from this, right? So this is the other thing that we need to keep in mind. And basically why I'm saying this is that there's nothing wrong with procrastination as such, but let's not take this as an excuse for procrastination, because we are in an age where we not only know the rewards of putting in the hard work and getting the rewards in the future, but at the same time we have some really handy tips and hacks and tools for procrastination. Lots of researchers, lots of scientists have worked on it, and they have compiled these data together. Yeah, so that's what it is, and I'm going to present some of those today during the course of this. Now, let's go on. So, before we understand what is procrastination, let's understand what procrastination is not. काफी सारी myths हैं procrastination के around. Okay. So, what is it not? These are the 7 myths that I'm going to talk about. सबसे पहले तो ये है कि procrastination is simply laziness. No. I have personally seen some of the most hardworking people procrastinating. Yeah, it's not about, it's about avoiding that task per se. It is not about your personal laziness. एक कोई टास्क ऐसा हो सकता है जो कि we don't enjoy getting started with it, we don't enjoy doing it, and therefore we procrastinated on that particular task, no matter how important that task is. So this is not about laziness. What else is it not? अगर दूसरी मिथ क्या है कि प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटर आर बैड एट टाइम मैनेजमेंट. दिस इज अनदर वन. They are not bad at time management. While poor time management can contribute to procrastination, it's not the root cause for most people. Many procrastinators are actually good at time management in other areas of their lives. जहां पर वो enjoy करते हैं, जहां पर उनको वो immediate reward मिलता है, वहां पर वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छे से कर लेते हैं. लेकिन वही बात है कि कुछ टास्क में वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट उनकी रह जाती है, राइट? देन द अदर वन इज that it is a sign of weakness or lack of willpower. This is another big myth. It is common human experience, and it doesn't reflect a character flaw. This particular thing of procrastination, it's a coping mechanism. Please understand, it is a coping mechanism, but it just so happens that it is an ineffective coping mechanism, procrastination itself. And people use to manage difficult solutions, and it is used by people for managing difficult emotions and situations, right? फिर ये भी है कि procrastination is always a bad thing. It's not always a bad thing. मैं अपना एग्जांपल देता हूँ. I come from a creative domain, and when so we used to create these campaigns for big brands, and when the brief used to hit my desk, I used to keep postponing actually putting pen on paper till the time it was almost deadline. And my main reason used to be that I used to start not only researching it, that particular topic, but at the same time, subconsciously somewhere, I used to become a kind of a sponge. All information, anything that has to do with that particular subject or that particular brand or that particular category, yeah, it used to start getting stuck in my mind. And towards the end of the, when towards the end of this, when the deadline used to loom really near, everything used to come together, and it used to be put down on paper. But that not to say that then this was my only reason. There were other reasons as well, right? हाँ जी, तो अगला क्या है कि that you can completely eliminate procrastination. ये कभी नहीं होने वाला. Don't be under any misapprehension कि ये कभी हो जाएगा. Okay? So, और ये भी है कि there's one cure for procrastination that works for everyone. I am going to show you today that, say for example, Daisy's cure for procrastination could be completely different from Manmeetji's cure for procrastination. Yeah. And yes, that all procrastination is the same, that, carrying forward the same point, because all procrastination is not the same, therefore the cure is also not going to be the same. Okay. Now, let's come at the root causes. कि ये होता क्यों है, right? Any shares, any observations, anything that you would like to add over here, कि according to you कि ये क्यों होता है, मतलब कि what are the triggers that can lead to procrastination? Anyone?
Belief system can, sorry, I overstepped.
Please.
Belief system can be one thing. Okay, I'm not good at it. Let me do it later or something. Let me research more and do that later. So I think belief system is major cause.
All right. Okay.
Let me. One reason could be when I'm not excited by that particular task, tend to postpone it and delay it for later.
Right. Could be. Yes. Definitely. Someone else was also adding something.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Haan ji.
What I was thinking that sometimes, even in your mind, you're pursuing perfection, and probably, you're not there, and you want to, create a perfect thing, which probably you keep on thinking, and you are applying your mind hard, etc. So you keep on, postponing and thinking and all. So
Right.
sometimes I think pursuit of perfection is also a reason for
Yes.
procrastination.
Yes, definitely. Great.
There can be two more things. One is that maybe it has not impacted so badly so far, so we are carrying it. Or maybe secondly, we are still thinking that since it is still working for me, so let me continue that.
Could be. Yes. Yeah, could be.
I think
Anyone else?
for me, two major reasons of procrastination. One is differentiating between urgent and important.
Yeah.
What is urgent and what is important, because you tend to start something which is important and then something urgent comes up. Somebody from the team will ping you, this is very urgent, I need to do this, do that, and then you tend to procrastinate.
Right.
The second reason is that procrastination would not really matter if the thing was not very important. So, procrastination happens for important things only. There only it is relevant. And when do you procrastinate the important things is when the smaller routine things which are easier to do are taking priority and front seat, and the procrastination happens for more important stuff which needs more attention, needs more focus. Otherwise, I don't care about procrastination if the thing was not very important. So somebody just said that getting to the perfectionist level for important things is somehow also, in my opinion, an underlying reason for procrastination.
Right. Amit ji, you have raised your hand.
Yes, sir. So two reasons for me. Basically, one reason is some of the very important tasks I tend to procrastinate, and the reason could be that firefighting stuff needs to be done first, and the things can be done later for the future, which are very important, although not very urgent. And second thing, as you said rightly, that avoidance. So even I see that in my students also. So the tough subjects they always want to postpone, and like easy subjects which they are comfortable with, they keep on doing multiple times. And even I used to do that in my CA days. So
Right.
it was like,
Right. Ali, you're on mute, Ali.
Sorry. And I think so most of us are businessmen and entrepreneurs. So there are times that, we are not working with someone. So if we are working for someone that, someone gives us a task and says, oh, by evening you have to finish this, then there is something we don't have a choice. But when we are entrepreneurs, businessmen, हमें पता है कि भाई कल भी करेगा चलेगा, परसों भी करेगा चलेगा. So that priority and importance is not there.
Right. बिल्कुल सही. So let me now delve in. All of you are correct. Let me dive a little deeper into the root causes. I'm going to talk about something called triggers. Okay. And there are two kinds of triggers, external and internal. So we'll look at both of them. Okay. So first, let's look at external triggers. External triggers क्या होते हैं जिसकी वजह से हम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हैं? पहला तो टास्क रिलेटेड ट्रिगर्स होते हैं. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ यू मेंशन्ड कि यार जो काम ना जिसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा, जिसका इमीडिएट रिवॉर्ड नहीं है, वो हम करते हैं. ठीक है. इट कैन बी अबाउट टास्क डिफिकल्टी, जिसमें बोरिंग है कोई चीज, बहुत बड़ा टास्क है, राइट. सो इंस्टेड सी हाउ फनीली द ब्रेन वर्क्स. कोई टास्क बहुत बड़ा है, लॉजिकली वी शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट इमीडिएटली or as soon as possible, but that becomes so intimidating that we keep on postponing it, right? फिर clarity नहीं है, उसका structure नहीं है task का. That is another reason why we procrastinate. Perceived lack of resources, right? Lack of resources could be anything from okay, I don't have the right people, I don't have the right tool, I don't have the right ability. The operative word over here is perceived. अगर आपको ऐसा लगे कि आपके पास सही सामान नहीं है, राइट डाउन टू कि आप केपेबल नहीं हो इसको हैंडल करने में, तो यू विल कीप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग. या डिसीजन पैरालिसिस, something that is of tremendous importance, and therefore you are not able to take a decision on that. That also could be the reason. Lack of perceived value and reward, कि आपको समझ ना आ रहा हो यार ये काम कर तो लूंगा, लेकिन इसका फायदा क्या है? How is it going to impact my life? How is it going to make me better? Right? So that could be another reason. And going forward, एक तो वो हो गया आपका टास्क रिलेटेड. अब ये सिचुएशनल ट्रिगर्स देखते हैं हम जरा. हाँ, सिचुएशनल ट्रिगर्स में डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. Yeah, I was surprised when nobody mentioned this. This is one of the biggest reasons for our procrastination. We get so busy with our distractions that जो हमारा जिस चीज में हमारे ट्रैक्शन मिलनी है, जिस काम में, वो काम हमारा पीछे रह जाता है. Then we could be in an uncomfortable environment, right? That also, it's human tendency. We could just be waiting के okay ठीक है, मैं जब थोड़ा comfortable हो जाऊंगा, तब मैं करूंगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट कुड इवन बी एज सिंपल एज के बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा हुआ पड़ा है. as you must have noticed, when it is really cold here in Delhi, at least I don't feel like working, chalo, or I try to make myself comfortable. Okay, let me put on the heater, let me do something else. Time pressures and deadlines. See how again the brain does its own tricks. Okay, instead of that pressure being an incentive for not procrastinating, it becomes the very reason for procrastinating. Yeah. Then lack of structure and routine. के हमारी लाइफ में हमारे उस टाइम पे हम कुछ स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, वी आर जस्ट थोड़ा सा इनडिसिप्लिन हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा डिसऑर्गेनाइज हो रहे हैं. तो दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी द रीजन. या social pressure, someone asking you to do something, that can be another thing. कि भाई, some, you know, I for one, I am a rebel at heart. कोई मुझे ये बोल दे कि भाई ये काम इतनी देर तक करना ही करना है, तो मेरे दिमाग में ना वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है कि यार, पहले तो बिल्कुल रेबेलियसनेस वो हो जाती थी, अब मेरा थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन ये हो गया है कि ओके, ये बोल तो रहा है, इसको साइड में रखते हैं, इज इट रियली इंपॉर्टेंट? या देन कंटेजन का क्या मतलब है? इफ यू हैव द कंपनी ऑफ पीपल who like to procrastinate, who are in the habit of procrastinating, chances are that you will also be procrastinating. You will also do that. So these are situational triggers. अब कुछ और triggers देखते हैं अब external. हाँ, okay. इसमें sorry, why is हाँ, तो ये फिजियोलॉजिकल ट्रिगर्स हैं, एक और लैक ऑफ स्लीप, फटीग, these can be very minor reasons, but they are still reasons. Your hunger, thirst, whatever. Yeah, you know, you could have a medical condition, or you could be on a medication which can lead to this. Then let's look at some internal triggers as well. Yeah, internal triggers में क्या है? आपके इमोशनल ट्रिगर्स सबसे ज्यादा आते हैं बड़े. एंजाइटी, फियर, कोई काम आ गया और just the fear that how it will reflect on you, how will people perceive you when you do that work, could lead to procrastination. Your feeling of stress, feeling of overwhelmingness, yeah, that can lead to this. Boredom, lack of interest. Now एक वो external trigger भी था, task related, जिसमें boring job. Here it is an internal trigger. ये emotional है. It is something from deep inside you. Yeah, you are generally bored in life, or for on those particular days you are generally bored. So therefore you don't feel like doing. You're not excited. Frustration, anger, sadness, depression, guilt and shame. You know, okay, the very fact that you have maybe delayed it for a little while, and that can become a snowball thing. Oh, मैंने इतना delay कर दिया, क्यों कर दिया ये? You know, that kind of a self-talk starts happening. Low self-esteem and self-doubt, that can be another one. Emotional exhaustion can be another one. Yeah. What else? Perfectionism. A few of you did mention perfectionism, and it's a really good point. And I'm going to, dive deeper into this later on. Perfectionism is one of the big reasons why we procrastinate, because we want to do things perfectly. You know what? ये आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं. ये वर्कशॉप क्रिएट करने का मैंने कमिटमेंट ली थी पिछले महीने. 1 महीना हो गया, और मैंने स्टार्ट कब किया इस पे काम करना? 1 हफ्ता पहले. और क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट कर रहा था? यार, इट हैज टू बी परफेक्ट, इट हैज टू बी परफेक्ट, इट हैज टू बी परफेक्ट. फाइनली, यू नो व्हाट आई हैड टू टेल माई सेल्फ? यार राजेश, तू ना ताजमहल नहीं बना रहा है, ठीक है? जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. And I'm so glad I did, because I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. Okay. So what else are the internal triggers? There can be cognitive triggers. Cognitive triggers का क्या मतलब है? पहले तो negative self talk. Okay. And then cognitive distortions हो जाते. मतलब कि इसका क्या मतलब है cognitive distortions का? कि आप ना अपने irrational thinking, आप ये सोच रहे हो कि जी सब के seeing things you start seeing things in extreme. Okay, if I can't do this task perfectly, I won't do it at all. You know, then you could start creating a catastrophe in your head. Okay, if I don't finish this project on time, my boss will be furious, and my client will be furious, and I'll probably lose my client. Then it could even be personalization. Okay, my project is behind schedule, and it must be because I'm lazy and incompetent. You take it on yourself. तो इस तरह की ये चीजें, ये सब हो जाता है, इसमें आता है कॉग्निटिव डिस्टॉर्शंस के, जो रियलिटी है उस रियलिटी से हट के आपका ब्रेन आपको कुछ और रियलिटी दिखा रहा है, कुछ और दिखा रहा है जो कि रियलिटी नहीं है, right? So that is cognitive distortion, and this is also something that is could be one of the reasons for procrastination. Now, lack of self-awareness. You don't even know what your ability is. Yeah, yeah, that can also be another one. Anyone here who can relate to either of these things? Let's have some shares. Okay, let's move on. Anyone?
Rajesh, like you were saying, there can also be, sometimes you are thinking that you are at this level, and again, probably it goes back to perfection, and you have this fear of losing your face. Like, when you're preparing this training, or I have to prepare a talk or whatever, then probably I'll keep on, that will be so intimidating, that thought that, probably people, perceive me at this level, and if I don't deliver at this level, I'm going to be judged. So that also plays sometimes very, very heavily on your mind.
Right.
And you keep staying away from the task. You keep thinking,
right.
So on.
Right. Bilkul. That whole thing of how you are going to be judged. Yes, of course. So, what kind of triggers do you respond to? Let's, I'm putting in a poll right now. I want you to respond to this. Let me see कि इन सब triggers को देखते हुए कि आप किस ट्रिगर से सबसे ज्यादा आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल दिस थिंग के इमोशनल ट्रिगर्स सबसे ज्यादा लोग आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, इट्स गोइंग 50-50 टास्क रिलेटेड एंड इमोशनल. Great. Okay, now I have situational and cognitive as well. All right.
Rajesh, physiological, emotional, cognitive, I don't understand.
Physiological is you are you are in an uncomfortable ठंड लग रही है, गर्मी लग रही है, you are not in a
okay, good. Thanks for that example.
Like I said कि वो बहुत ही minor reasons हो सकता है, but it is still a reason, so I have listed it. Great. So let's end the poll. Let's see. Yeah. So these are the results. Okay, task related, 53% of you have said task related are triggers which are the main reason for you. Situational is 11%, emotional is 26%, and cognitive is 11%. Thank you so much. As expected, physiological का मुझे कुछ फर्क कोई contribution दिखा नहीं इसमें, which is a minor contributor in any case. Great. So let's move on now. All right. So like I said, every procrastinator is, all right, I would say every kind of procrastination is different. So everyone procrastinates in a different way. Let's see what kind of procrastination is yours. Okay. So there are total 8 kind of procrastinations that I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to get a little deeper in it. And at the end of it, I will share a document with you. आप उसमें कुछ सवालों के जवाब देंगे तो it will become clear to you what kind of procrastination is yours. Okay, so let's get started on this. Okay, first is like many of you mentioned, the perfectionist, right? तो इसमें क्या है, है तो परफेक्शनिस्ट, लेकिन अंडरलाइंग कॉज क्या है? फियर ऑफ फेलियर। कि वो इतने परफेक्शन के पीछे इतना भागते हैं कि दे आर मॉर्टली अफ्रेड ऑफ फेलियर। दे नीड एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन कि मुझे लोगों से इस काम की प्रेज मिलनी चाहिए। मुझे अगर किसी ने, अब कोई ऐसा ना हो जो कि मुझे कोई क्रिटिकल फीडबैक दे दे इसमें, राइट? एंजाइटी अबाउट नॉट मेजरिंग अप, राइट? ये चीजें हो सकती हैं इसमें। तो परफेक्शनिस्ट इज वन काइंड ऑफ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन। फिर दूसरा आता है द ड्रीमर। ओके, यू कुड बी अ ड्रीमर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटर एज वेल, यू नो। और इसमें क्या है कि देयर इज एन there is no there is an enthusiasm for new ideas, कि नए आइडियाज मुझे चाहिए। मैं पुरानी चीजों पे काम नहीं करूंगा। हाँ, अवॉइडेंस ऑफ मंडेन टास्क, जो चीजें रूटीन में कर रहे हैं वो उसमें मजा नहीं आता है। आई नीड समथिंग बिग, आई नीड समथिंग एक्साइटिंग, आई नीड समथिंग न्यू। हाँ, सो दैट इज, दीज आर बिग पिक्चर थिंकर्स, ग्रैंड आइडियाज पीपल। या फिर कौन है? द वरियर। These are the warriors are also very interesting. They are overwhelmed by anxiety and fear. हैं, जैसे परफेक्शनिस्ट है, ये भी चिंता करते हैं, लेकिन इनका वो नहीं है कि एकदम चीज परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए। दे जस्ट वरी अबाउट दैट टास्क इटसेल्फ, ये तो मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब करूंगा इसमें। मैं, दे आर जस्ट, दे आर नॉट सीकिंग प्रेज, दे आर ओनली worrying about the negative consequences that can happen by doing that work. Okay, that is a big difference between the perfectionist and the worrier. Okay, the defiant procrastinator, ये कौन है? These are rebels against deadlines. कि डेडलाइन है तो मतलब कि आई डोंट रिस्पेक्ट इट। हाँ, एंड फॉर देम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन बिकम्स अ वेरी इजी वे ऑफ asserting independence and control. These are rebels. Okay, and they need autonomy, मतलब कि वो किसी के आप देखोगे कि कुछ कई आपकी कंपनीज में भी होंगे लोग ऐसे। दे डोंट, they need autonomy, they don't need control, they rebel against control. So these are those kind of people. और उनको अगर बोलोगे कि ये काम करना है और इस टाइम तक करना है, तो they will be defiant against it. Okay, फिर है क्राइसिस मेकर। क्राइसिस मेकर कौन है? These are people who thrive under pressure and who intentionally delay tasks until the last minute, creating a crisis. या कि उनको फिर वो क्राइसिस में काम करना मजा आता है उनको। हाँ, तो वो दैट थ्रिल ऑफ लास्ट मिनट रश, दैट अवॉइडेंस ऑफ प्लानिंग स्ट्रक्चर, दे सीक एक्साइटमेंट, दीज गाइस। ओके, फिर कौन है?
Rajesh, sorry, I can't, stop making this comment. कई बार देखा, वो मजा ही नहीं आता फ्लाइट पकड़ने में जब तक आप एकदम से
भागना पड़े, पसीने निकल जाए।
आपके पास कितना ही टाइम हो, आप टाइम से स्टार्ट ही नहीं करेंगे। आप बोले अरे यार अभी तो टाइम है, अभी कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो घर बैठ के भी, लेकिन फिर भी आपको भाग के ही पकड़ना है।
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल, ठीक है। तो क्राइसिस मेकर के बाद हम आते हैं ओवर कमिटर पे। ओके, ये ओवर कमिटर कौन है? दे टेक ऑन too many commitments. You can make out around in your circle who could be the overcommitters. These are people who have a hard time saying no. These are basically extremely good people. बहुत इतने अच्छे लोग हैं, वो किसी चीज को या किसी बात को, किसी को या किसी व्यक्ति को वो ना कर ही नहीं सकते। They have this inherent desire to please others. They have the fear of missing out. They have a difficulty in prioritizing. So these are overcommitters.
राजेश, यहाँ पे वो लोग आ जाते हैं, आप कहीं सड़क पे कभी किसी से रास्ता पूछो ना, अगर किसी को रास्ता नहीं भी मालूम हो तो भी बता देता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। फिर आते हैं डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड। डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड भी आप आराम से देख सकते हो कि इनका आप देखोगे कि देयर वर्क डेस्क विल बी इन क्लटर, हाँ, and their tasks will get lost in that clutter, and they will feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of work. Yeah, and procrastination becomes a default response for them. हाँ, इनकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्किल्स बहुत कम होती हैं, and they always feel overwhelmed. So these are disorganized procrastinators. Okay, फिर आपका लास्ट में आते हैं द जस्ट वन मोर थिंग प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन। ये इसका क्या मतलब है? दे कॉन्स्टेंटली फाइंड जस्ट वन मोर थिंग टू डू बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क। हाँ, जैसे मैंने शुरू में फिल्म दिखाई थी, वो बैठा काम करने के लिए, तो अच्छा भूख लग रही है, पहले मैं कुछ खा लेता हूँ। अच्छा, लेकिन ये जो है, मुझे सीरियल खाने का तो मन नहीं कर रहा, मैं जरा सुपरमार्केट चल जाता हूँ, वहां से कुछ ले आता हूँ खाने के लिए। वहां पहुंचे तो अच्छा, मैं अब आ ही गया हूँ, तो पूरे हफ्ते की खरीदारी कर लेता हूँ। यू नो, वन मोर थिंग टू डू बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वर्क। आई कैन रियली आइडेंटिफाई दिस, ये मैंने खुद बहुत बार किया हुआ है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई विद दिस कि अच्छा ये कर लेता हूँ, उसके बाद बैठता हूँ आराम से।
Very common. I can
हाँ,
identify myself with this.
yeah. So they have a feeling of being unprepared, and they seek a sense of accomplishment through smaller tasks, right? तो ये 8 तरह के procrastinations हैं. I will not say these are 8 kind of procrastinators. These are 8 kinds of procrastinations, some of which or one of which you might identify with. Okay, so now let's find out कि आप किस तरह के प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करते हो, राइट? तो ये जरा मैंने ये लॉन्च कर रहा हूं मैं। Let's see, you could be procrastinating in more than one way. Okay, so whatever you think is the primary way in which you procrastinate, just put that in the poll. I've got the warrior. Yes, perfectionist. Wow. 50% are perfectionists. 44 now. All right. Awesome. क्या
पर
बात
राजेश जी,
है।
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि हम सब में सब कुछ ही है। वो रेशो थोड़ा अलग हो
अरे,
जाता है कि किस काम को लेके हम
राइट,
डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड
राइट,
हैं।
राइट। इस चीज को अभी हम मेजर कर लेंगे। इसको अभी अभी के अभी मेजर कर लेंगे। आपको खुद दिख जाएगा कि आप कौन सा ओवरराइडिंग काइंड ऑफ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन आपकी कौन सी है। ये तो आपने अभी अपना परसेप्शन दे दिया, ठीक है? सो आई एम गोइंग टू एंड द पोल नाउ। वाओ, लुक एट दिस। 65% of you have said that you are the perfectionist kind of procrastinator. फिर ड्रीमर, वरियर, डिफाइंट, ऑल राइट। द सेकंड नंबर दूसरे पे आता है ओवर कमिटर, राइट? फिर जस्ट वन मोर थिंग वाला भी। ओके, सो क्वाइट एन इंटरेस्टिंग रिजल्ट फॉर दिस। सो लेट्स नाउ सी। अब जरा ना दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी करते हैं हम, ठीक है? अब हम जरा आ जाते हैं, मैं आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर कर रहा हूं। ऑलराइट, just give me a little time. I'm going to share this. All right. Just hold on. I have to first put that on the Google Drive. I didn't realize that I have to first put that document on the Google Drive. All right, we are almost done. Yes. All right. Okay, here we are. I am sharing this document with you. Right? You got this document now. Have you got it in the chat box?
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Not yet. Is
Nope.
being shared in Zoom, it says. Invent. All right. Okay.
Mhm.
Hold on. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Let me just share it and you can do the activity at your end. Let me just share this document. I think there's some glitch. I was trying this for the first time. There's some glitch. Let me share this document. Yeah. All right. Here it is. आप अपने पैड और पेन रेडी रखिए. So here is this document. So basically, for every question, you have to give a score. If you strongly
Mm.
disagree, put a 1. If you strongly agree, put a 5 to it. Okay.
Mhm.
So first, let's see if you are more of a perfectionist type. Okay. I often delay starting tasks because I'm afraid I won't do them perfectly. Give yourselves a score. If you disagree, give yourself a 1. If you strongly agree, give yourself a 5. Similarly, give yourself a score for all of these 4 questions.
Rajesh sir, have you sent this document somewhere?
नो, यहीं पर वो कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिच हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट बीइंग
Okay.
अंडरस्टैंडेड. तो यहीं पर ये यू कैन टेक अ लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस एंड यू कैन स्कोर योरसेल्फ.
You can you can also share the screenshots if possible, so everybody can enlarge if they want. I guess that will be easier.
आपके एंड पे भी वो जूम इन हो सकता है.
Mm-hmm. But that I think that creates problem on your screen. That happens to me all the time.
Okay, fine. Let me do that then. Let me do that.
Rajesh, if possible, you can also send it through WhatsApp if it is not something which you can't share.
But many of the participants over here, I don't know their WhatsApp numbers.
Okay.
Daisy ji, there is a lot of scrolling in this. So अभी मेरे ख्याल से इसको ऐसे ही रखते हैं. In case you
Yeah,
have, हाँ,
I
and
was doing that ways only. I thought for the people who
नहीं, वो
skip
मैं
the other.
I realize there is a lot of scrolling.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
No issues. I am okay with that also.
Yeah. यहाँ तक सबने कर लिया defiant procrastinator tendencies तक.
Rajesh,
I am at defined.
Rajesh, show the warrior. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, a question, Rajesh. Is the outcome of this exercise survey instrumental to what is to follow? Because with only 30 minutes more remaining.
Yeah. See, I had asked a poll question where you responded, and that is basis your first cut impression. But the scoring for this will actually either confirm that this is the kind of procrastination that tendency that you have, or it can throw up something interesting as well. Yeah, defiant तक सबने कर लिया. Anyone who still hasn't done defiant, please open your mic and let me know. Otherwise, I'm scrolling down.
Yeah, I am at defiant now.
Okay. Yeah. Because the hacks and the tools that I'm going to suggest after this are going to be, number one, very specific to each kind of procrastination, how to overcome that. And then I'm also going to give some master hacks which are applicable to everyone. You can use it any way you like, and everyone can use it, but there will be some hacks which are specific. So that's why this exercise is important to do. Is everyone done with Crisis Maker?
Yeah.
Okay. Overcommitter. Done?
Rajesh sir, I'm taking a little more time than normal.
No problem.
If it is possible, you can share this later.
I will share it with you, Sudhanshu. Your number I have. I'll do that. Overcommitter कर लिया सबने? Okay. So these are the last two. Please keep putting in the chat box once you're done. Just say done. We have 2 more minutes at maximum 10:35. Who else is done? Okay.
सर एक बार 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर दिखा दीजिए 8 सेकंड के लिए।
कौन सा?
12 नंबर।
12. Okay. 12 ये है. I often imagine the worst case scenario when facing a challenging task.
Okay, done sir, done.
Okay. Sangeeta has done it from Beyond Frame. Yeah. Okay. Let's wrap it up. 3, 2, 1, and I'm stopping the share of this. Let's continue. Okay, I'm stopping share of this, and I'm going to share the original screen again. All right.
Can you, sorry, the
Yeah.
last 4 questions, can you please show again?
Okay, just one second. Okay, hold on. Last 4 questions. Yeah, just one more thing.
That's enough. Thank you.
Okay. Now I'll give you 30 seconds. Please make a subtotal of each of these categories till the time I share the next screen. Please make a subtotal. It will give you a very clear idea of what kind of procrastination is yours till now, which we are going to overcome, and we are going to give solutions to after this.
राजेश 4 क्वेश्चंस के ग्रुप थे या 4-5 कुछ अलग?
4 क्वेश्चंस के ग्रुप थे. All right. I'm sharing the screen now. Okay. So depending on what kind of procrastination is yours, let's see what are your personalized hacks and tools. The perfectionist. This is, if you are a perfectionist, then this is what you need to do. You need to lower your standards, but temporarily. Please, please note temporarily. Consciously aim for good enough, or ये बहुत जरूरी चीज है, and ये मैं जिस point number 2 है, perfection is the enemy of progress. So I always remind myself of that whenever I fall in this trap. Set realistic goals. Yeah. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. And give yourself permission to be imperfect. And you can use the technique of time boxing. There is a very famous technique called Pomodoro technique. I don't know whether you know it, but it basically says that you divide your day into, hourly chunks. 45 minutes to 50 minutes you work, and then you very consciously take a 10 to 15 minute break before getting down to work again. Neurologically, 45 to 50 minutes is what our brain can work at an optimal level. In any case, it needs a little rest. So take a break, get back to work, take a break, get back to work. But ensure that during that break, you don't get lost in it. Yeah. Dreamer, visionary. If you are a dreamer or a visionary, you need to do your action planning. You need to break down your tasks. You need to do prioritization. You need to have some time management techniques. See, Pomodoro is mentioned over here. You need to find an implementer. Partner with someone who enjoys the details and execution to balance your visionary thinking. Yeah. If you are a worrier or you are an anxious kind of you indulge in an anxious kind of procrastination, then identify and challenge anxious thoughts. Very consciously challenge anxious thoughts. Do some meditation. This really works. I have seen this working. Do meditation, and your anxiety will be taken care of. Deep breathing exercises. Whenever you feel your anxiety coming on, you still feel like you are worrying too much, do some deep breathing exercises. Break down tasks and seek support. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist or coach about your anxieties. Yeah. Then the defined procrastination. Reframe deadlines. View deadlines as self-imposed commitments rather than external pressures. Negotiate and collaborate. If possible, discuss deadlines and project requirements with others to gain a sense of ownership. Find your why. कि आप उस काम को क्यों कर रहे हो rather than someone else dictating it to you. Yeah. Connect them to your own values and goals. Focus on the benefits of doing it. Channel your energy. Yeah. Then the crisis maker. Crisis maker के क्या है? Plan your deadlines. Yeah. Set earlier deadlines than the actual ones. Do time management techniques आ जाती हैं. Break down tasks. Reward yourself for planning. Yeah. अगर आपने प्लानिंग ही कर ली है, उसके लिए भी अपने आप को रिवॉर्ड करो. राइट. उसके बाद उस प्लान को इंप्लीमेंट करो. Develop healthy coping mechanisms. Find alternative ways to manage stress and seek excitement that don't involve creating crises. The overcommitter. Learn to say no. If you are an overcommitter, learn to say no. Very, very important. Prioritize ruthlessly. Delegate work if possible. Give it to someone else. Do your time audit. वेरी रियलिस्टिक. कई बार हम क्या करते हैं कि अपने सुबह भी अगर जब टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हैं, कई बार ऐसा होता है, आपने भी देखा होगा कि हम इतने आइटम डाल देते हैं उसमें विदाउट रियलाइजिंग वेदर इट इज रियलिस्टिकली पॉसिबल टू डू ऑल दैट. सो डू ए टाइम ऑडिट. वेरी रियलिस्टिक टाइम ऑडिट कि अच्छा इस काम में इतना टाइम लगेगा, इस काम में इतना टाइम लगेगा. ऑल्सो लीव सम स्पेस फॉर something can happen in a day, so on that particular day. So not all your 8 or 10 hours of work can be in your control. So leave some space for that as well. Set boundaries. Yeah. Organize your workspace. Use a to-do list. Use time management techniques. Use productivity tools. I will come to some productivity, some more tools right at the end. Seek assistance. Yeah. There is a tool that I use called UltiSelf, UltiSelf. It is a great tool to not just put procrastination away, but also to develop some great habits. So you can use that tool, UltiSelf. Just one more thing, identify the real task. Identify the real task. कि काम क्या है. ये नहीं है काम के मैं जो काम करना है उसको छोड़ के मैं घर ठीक ठाक करने बैठ जाऊं. या लिमिट डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. कीप योर फोन अवे फॉर एग्जांपल. सेट टाइम लिमिट्स फॉर प्रिपरेशन. ईट दैट फ्रॉग. जब सबसे मुश्किल जो काम होगा, सबसे बड़ा जो काम है, उसको सबसे पहले टैकल कर लोगे तो वो you will be done. Reward yourself for starting. Yeah. So just like for the there was this thing where it said reward yourself for planning. For the crisis maker, this is reward yourself for starting. Start करने का अपने आप को कुछ reward दे दो. It can be as simple as patting yourself in the back, or you could keep a chocolate on your desk, a little candy. You give yourself that just for starting off. There should be some cue for that, some cue that your brain gets. Okay. Now, those are as far as individual hacks and tools are concerned. Now I am coming to some master hacks. Okay. Now, these can be really interesting. These apply to everyone. इंटरनल ट्रिगर्स जो हैं हमारे, जो इमोशनल ट्रिगर्स हैं, उनको हैक बैक करने के लिए क्या है, ये 4 स्टेप्स हैं टू रीइमेजिन द इंटरनल ट्रिगर. नंबर 1, जब आप बैठे हो और आपको वो डिस्कम्फर्ट लग रही है, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट डिस्कम्फर्ट, बी कॉन्शियस ऑफ दैट कि ये डिस्कम्फर्ट मुझे लग रही है. काम शुरू करने से पहले don't negate it, be conscious of it. Okay, this is the step 1. Write down the trigger कि ये क्यों मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा. Right? Explore your sensations. इसमें एक टेक्निक ये मैं यूज करता हूं कई बार, leaves on a stream. You know, I imagine that there is a stream and there are lots of leaves floating on it, and whatever my sensations are, whatever my feelings are, हर लीफ के ऊपर एक एक फीलिंग पड़ी हुई है, and they are floating away. They are floating away. This can be really powerful if whenever you face with this kind of internal trigger, which leads to procrastination. Then be aware of liminal moments. What does this mean? Liminal moments कि आपको कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन करने का मन कर रहा है, अचानक से फोन उठाने का मन कर रहा है या कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है. डोंट निगेट इट. जस्ट से इट इज परफेक्टली फाइन फॉर मी टू डू इट, बट आई विल वेट फॉर 10 minutes बिफोर डूइंग इट. बी वेरी कॉन्शियसली बी द मास्टर ऑफ दैट मोमेंट कि मैं 10 मिनट रुक जाता हूं, उसके बाद भी अगर मन करेगा तो मैं खा लूंगा या मैं फोन देख लूंगा या मैं कुछ और कर लूंगा. Right? You will see most of the time that once those 10 minutes are gone, you are deep into work and और वो thought दोबारा से आती नहीं है. Right? So these are ways to hack back internal triggers. Now let's look at the ways to hack external triggers. Gamify your task. Add deliberatedness or novelty. You know, gamify मतलब कि आप उसमें अपने आप को स्कोर देना शुरू कर दो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
एक मिनट पीछे वाली स्लाइड पे जा सकते हैं फॉर
हाँ
जस्ट अ
इसी वाली
सेकंड.
पे.
हाँ,
हाँ,
थैंक यू.
सर इसमें पॉइंट नंबर 3 एक बार बताइएगा. पॉइंट नंबर 3,
explore your sensations. You know, when you are feeling that overwhelming sensation of avoiding that task, explore your sensations. कि आपके what exactly are you feeling? Are you feeling anxiety? Are you feeling some sort of a guilt? What exactly are you feeling? Are you feeling intimidated by that? Whatever you're feeling, आप imagine करो कि, and this is what I use, that there is a stream and on that there are lots of leaves floating. And on each leaf, just imagine one of your sensation, you know, anxiety, intimidation, whatever, you know, they are floating away. For half a minute or a minute, you do this and you will be out of that sensation. Yeah. Reimagine the task. Gamify your task and add deliberatedness on. कई बार हमारे क्योंकि वो टास्क बोरिंग है तो हमें वो काम करने का मन नहीं करता. If you add a little novelty to it, do it in a little different way, it can really tackle this. Anyone here who would like to share anything on this? Anyone who has ever gamified a task, added novelty or something? कुछ दिमाग में आता है? Anyone who would like to share?
It can be simply changing your place only. Like if
Yeah,
you feel
right.
like you
Yeah,
change the room.
absolutely brilliant. Or you just go to the coffee shop and do that same thing. Brilliant. Anyone else?
एक और चीज मेरे को जो काफी हेल्प करती है वो ये है, आई डोंट नो कौन सी कैटेगरी में वो फिट होगा ये सॉल्यूशन, लेकिन टू गेट द थिंग्स डन बहुत हेल्प करता है कभी कभी. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको कई सारे इनमें से जो है प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन हो जाती है या आप नहीं इनिशिएट कर पाते, So what sometimes मेरे को कभी कभी जो हेल्प करता है कि मैं एज ए टीम अगर किसी के साथ काम करता हूँ, अकेला ना करके 2 लोग काम करते हैं मिल करके, तो प्रॉब्ली हमेशा ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता, लेकिन जब भी कभी पॉसिबल हो जाए तो 2 लोग मिल करके काम करें तो वो चीज हो जाती है, rather than doing it alone. जब आप इनिशिएटिव बहुत ज्यादा लैक करते हो, whether you are disorganized or you have to do just one more other thing, और या आप किसी भी और वजह से इनिशिएट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो टास्क को, देन फिर ये कंपल्शन बन जाता है कि अगर आपने टीम में काम किया, आपने दूसरे बंदे को कमिट किया, उसने आपको कमिट किया, तो आपको पर फोर्स बैठना ही है, करना ही पड़ेगा स्टार्ट काम, और फिर वो शुरू हो गया तो फिर खत्म भी होगा, तो आप डिले कर ही नहीं पाओगे। आपने एक डिसिप्लिन बना लिया कि अब आपको इस टाइम पे स्टार्ट करना है, इतने खत्म करना है, इस समय मिलना ही मिलना है, इस पे बैठ कर डिस्कशन होगी। So I wanted to add.
Right. Okay.
I
Let's
can
move.
share something.
Yeah, please.
The way
Please.
I gamify things is that I put something running and then I race against time.
Come
For
again?
example,
That
I
sounds
race against time.
Okay. Come again.
So, for example, if I have to leave in next half an hour and I know that I usually get occupied with 10 different things and I'm always late in leaving the house. So I will start a video which will be for 20 minutes or something like that, and
Hey.
I will race against it.
Wow.
Let's see, before the video finishes, can I leave the house? What happens first? Like, can I do this? For example, I have to send an important email, and I know that there are 10 more things at task, and I know that that email will keep me occupied and I will fall in the trap of procrastination or perfection. So I will set up the tea to boil and I will tell myself, let's see if I can do this before the tea is boiled.
Brilliant, brilliant.
I would create such, childlike games and funny deadlines for myself. There are more, but these are the 2 examples. I do these things a lot. I race against time. It gives me the thrill to complete the tasks, and in my own way, I'm winning those games.
I do something similar. Whenever I have a short task, say 5 minutes or so, I put on a song which is about 5 minutes long, and I give myself this challenge कि ये गाना खत्म होने से पहले मुझे खत्म करना है।
Distract नहीं करता राजेश वो?
नहीं, you have to pick up that particular track in that kind of a way, which is not distracting. Yeah.
You should try doing it with boiling milk, and you would know nothing can distract you. You put up a pan of milk to boil and then tell yourself, before this milk boils, you have to do this. Otherwise, the milk will spill.
Yeah.
That's
So
interesting.
there are tracks which are meant for focus and concentration. These are very soothing kind of tracks. They're not distracting. Okay. Now this is very important. कि ये इस बात को गांठ बांध लो कि you can't call something a distraction unless you know what it is distracting you from. Phone is not a distraction. Phone is a necessity. It is a distraction only when it is keeping you away from what you are trying to achieve in life or that particular day or that particular hour. Yeah. So create a weekly calendar template for your perfect week. अब इसका मैं बहुत ही प्यारा एक हैक दूंगा आपको, और वो हैक ये दूंगा कि my partner at Tab, he has what he calls a 95% club. Every Sunday morning, he helps everyone in that whoever joins on that Zoom call, he helps everyone to create that perfect week. Okay. So and after that, after they've done that, what he also does is he helps them create every day, with a daily journal. So create the week and then keep a daily journal to keep track of whether you would like to, whether you are achieving whatever you had set out that to do that particular week. Okay. So मैं इसमें चैट में उस पर्टिकुलर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का मैंने लिंक भेज दिया है आपको. Whoever wants to join this WhatsApp group can join, and every week we do this exercise together. All right. Then fine tune your calendar by asking 2 questions that first of all reflect When in my schedule did I do what I said I would do, and when did I get distracted? And refine, keep refining. Are there changes that I can make to my calendar that will give me the time I need to better express my values? What is it that I'm living for? Is it just personal success, or is it bonding with my family, my children? What is exactly are my values? A quick hack back for your smartphone. This is also something that I've done. I'm very from time to time I audit my phone के इसमें कोई ऐसे apps तो नहीं है जो कि मैं बिल्कुल यूज नहीं कर रहा. I remove those. I replace. Many times I am just wearing my watch rather than, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है कि phone you take it many times just to see the time. So I have replaced it with the watch. Even the alarm, it's best if you are really into it, have an alarm clock instead of putting the alarm on your smartphone, because tendency होती है एक बार उठा लिया फोन तो उसके बाद आप फोन में ही लग जाते हो सुबह. Rearrange your apps in these categories. Primary tools, which are something that you need to do every day, aspirations and machines, and reclaim your life by turning off notifications. Remove notifications as much as possible. Yeah. Now, this is very interesting and exciting. Pacts with really powerful tools. Pacts. What does it mean? पहले मैं आपको ये ऐप बताऊंगा. It's called the Forest app. Okay, download this on your phone. The Forest app. इसमें क्या है? You set the time कि इतने टाइम में मुझे काम खत्म करना है, and उस टाइम तक आप कोई भी दूसरा ऐप नहीं खोलोगे. अगर नहीं खोलोगे तो ये जो प्लांट आपका दिख रहा है, it will grow up to be a healthy tree, otherwise it will die. So it is gamifying that thing that I spoke about earlier, the Forest app. Then there is this website called FocusMate. Please take a note of this, focusmate.com. What it does is, you get into that website, you say, and you select your time slot, and someone else for whom that time slot is also convenient will select it with you. और उस टाइम पे आप लोग जूम पे आओगे और you will just work sitting in front of each other. You will not talk, you will not do anything. How beautiful is that? I used to do it with someone else as well. And this is really powerful, really powerful. So you can use this, focusmate.com. Yeah. Now, price packs, ये बड़ा important, ये बड़ा खतरनाक है, और and it is something really powerful. If you really want to do something but you're not being able to do it, say for example, आप कह रहे हो कि जी मैं ना ये अगले 1 महीने में मुझे ये 5 किलो अपने रिड्यूस करने हैं, जिम जाकर 5 किलो रिड्यूस करने हैं. अपने सामने एक 500 का नोट रख लो कि अगर मेरे 5 किलो रिड्यूस नहीं हुए बाय द एंड ऑफ द मंथ, I will burn this currency note. Keep reminding yourself every day. See what kind of motivation that gives you, how it tackles procrastination completely. दूसरा काम ये कर सकते हो, take an accountability partner. उसको ना कुछ पैसे दे दो, और इतने पैसे दो उसको जो कि आपको चुभे अगर if you lose that kind of money. Not a few hundred rupees or whatever, but say 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. उसको दे दो, उसको बोलो मैंने ये काम इतने टाइम तक खत्म करना है, अगर मैंने नहीं किया, you can keep the money. How powerful is that? Yeah. Okay.
मैंने ये ट्राई किया है कुछ ऐसा. I wanted to start a walk, नहीं कर पा रही थी इतने साल से, तो एक जूस वाला बैठता था, उसको 1 महीने के पैसे पकड़ा दिए. भाई जिस दिन मैं आई उस दिन मैं पी लूंगी, नहीं आई तो तेरे पैसे.
Brilliant. Brilliant. That's a nice twist on this. Yeah. Okay. अब ये बड़ा जरूरी है, ये भी बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है कि our perception of who we are changes what we do. So don't look at yourself as a procrastinator. Don't say I'm a procrastinator. जिससे कि कभी कभी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन हो जाती है. And try to redefine yourself. For example, this is an actual shot of my whiteboard. This is what I have written on my whiteboard. I am a focused monk. How do you define yourself? Just define yourself and put it right up there where you can see it every day. Right? So identify, create that identity for yourself. There was a very famous case study done in US where people were asked whether you vote. एक सैंपल में उनसे पूछा whether you vote, will you vote, okay. दूसरे सैंपल में उनसे पूछा are you a voter, okay. And all those who said yes we will vote compared to all those who said I am a voter, when they actually studied the results after the elections कि किस किसने actually vote किया था, those who identified themselves as a voter actually were much higher percentage who voted, because they identified themselves as a voter rather than who were saying I'll vote. Yeah, so create an identity for yourself. All right, तो ये अब ऐसा है कि अब handout I am not able to give because of technical reasons, but what I'll do is I'm giving you I will give you my phone number right at the end. Just reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will send you that handout, okay, and that will create the action plan for you, okay. And okay, so to wrap it up, it is not, procrastination need not be just about work, it can be about other things as well. Remember, the most important thing in your life is you, then relationships, and then only it is work. So schedule time for yourself, show up when you say you will, and please remember that inputs are in your control, output may not be in your control, okay. Relationships, very, very important. If someone is important to you, make regular time for them in your calendar. How many of us do this? Yeah. If with your spouse, don't just schedule date days or date nights, but put domestic chores also on your calendar. And ensure that you maintain important relationships by scheduling time for regular get-togethers with your friends. हम ना कई बार अपनी लाइफ की भागदौड़ में भूल ही जाते हैं कि ये चीजें भी कितनी जरूरी हैं. Consciously schedule time for these, okay. Then coming to work, yes, कई बार ये होता है कि because we are not, our time schedule does not sync with our stakeholders and our employees or our colleagues, things get left behind. So try to sync that, yeah. So, and to keep the devil away, what you need to do, अब ये तो हो गया आपने प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन को कैसे डील कर लिया अभी, लेकिन उसको दूर कैसे रखना है. पहले तो बात तो ये कि प्रैक्टिस सेल्फ कंपैशन. कभी आपका ब्रेकडाउन होगा और होगा ही. कई ऐसे दिन होंगे when you fall back into procrastination. That's perfectly fine. Practice self compassion when it happens. I won't say if it happens, I am saying when it happens. Practice self compassion. Just remind yourself this is something hardwired into your brain, but it is something which you can and you will overcome, because अब यहाँ पर आपकी आइडेंटिटी काम आ जाएगी. आपने अपने लिए आइडेंटिटी क्या बनाई है, राइट. एंड दूसरा, अपना जो भी आप टूल्स और हैक्स आप यूज कर रहे हो, कई बार उसको एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी, वो एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लो आप, ठीक है. एंड दीज आर सम ऑफ द बुक्स दैट आई वुड स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड if you want to delve a little deeper into the subject of procrastination and how to be more productive. These 3 books I would highly recommend. Please make a note of these, take a screenshot if you can. Yeah. Okay, I would like to end with this note on the alternative board. As you must have seen, tab का logo हर जगह आ रहा था. So what is tab? Tab is the alternative board. It is the world's largest action and accountability platform for business owners. It is based out of Colorado, USA, and it is 34 years old, operating in 26 countries, and we help business owners overcome challenges and achieve ambitious targets. Yeah, that's what we do. We do it with a mix of one-to-one coaching and advisory board services, feedback and questions. And for others, for everyone, please reach out to me on this number. I will send you the handout. And if you want to know more about Tab also, please reach out to me on this number. But let's have some shares, let's have some feedback, and let's have some questions if you have. You can keep raising your hand, digital hand, and I'll give you a chance one by one. Yes, Daisy.
I would say कि ऐसा लग रहा है 10-15 किताबें इकट्ठी पढ़ ली हैं। सब कुछ आ गया है। It was power pack, I would say, very well executed, very well planned, and I can see a lot of hard work behind it. And I loved the way you shared your own experiences, which made it more interactive. So, which were actually a commendable efforts, I would say. That's all I have to add on.
Thank you. Anyone else? Any feedback? Any questions? Thanks, Ravi Krishnan. Thanks, Neetu ji.
I love the most.
Rajesh.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
Please, Daisy, please finish what you're saying.
I was just adding that I love that just one more thing, wala concept. This is, I think, highly relatable to everybody, I guess.
Yeah. Yes, Manmeet.
I said it's a very great session packed into a very small period of time. You could have procrastinated and made it longer, but you ensured that it's done in time. There are a lot of great takeaways.
Yeah.
And something as big as procrastination, you have broken it into smaller, achievable kind of targets and habits.
Right.
And I think it's also a habit, right? In the end, it's a bad habit which you need to, somehow get rid of by building in some small good habits. So you have given the tools to do that, and I think great
Right.
session, well put together and well conducted. All the best, Rajesh.
Thank you so much. Manu.
Hi Rajesh, thanks a lot for this amazing session. I think I learned a lot in the last 1.5 hours. I think I won't be probably reading the books, but definitely I think the takeaways are very, very powerful. If you can also kind of revisit the slide on the 2 questions you mentioned, that'd be wonderful. I kind of somehow missed the 2 for the traction bit.
The questions for which ones?
This one, yeah, make time for traction. Yeah, the 2 questions.
Reflect and refine.
Yeah, I'll just make a noting of it. Thanks.
Thanks. Okay. Anyone else?
Rajesh, this is Jaydev. Excellent session. I wanted the names of the books once again.
Yeah.
I really got some valuable points on time management from you.
These are the books.
Practicing is a tough bit.
Yeah. So you should join this 95% club.
I've already registered there.
Great. So
thank you, Rajesh.
Eat That Frog and Deep Work.
Yep.
My personal 3 favorites. Top 3.
I got that. Yeah.
For this. Yeah.
So from which book to start, sir?
You can start with anyone. I would say start with Deep Work. I would start with Deep Work because that will give you a really good grounding on the importance of productivity and being focused.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you so much for the wonderful session. Really an eye opener for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Great. So shall we close it now? Yeah.
Yes.
I would look forward to your messages. This is the first time I was doing this, and now I realize that I should have budgeted for about 15 minutes more than this, or at least, or maybe half an hour, because I also had planned for an activity where you guys get into a breakout room and discuss what are what is the kind of procrastination you are dealing with, and what are the kind of tools that you're going to use, all those things. Anyway, next time it will be a much better session, but I think I personally thoroughly enjoyed creating this and presenting this and being with you this morning. Thank you so much for being here.